Hi again, Marcy Davis here from Quick Start Piano, where adults learn by playing the music they love most. And today we've got more Christmas music. We're going to be using this book here, Holiday Classics by Piano Pronto, available at pianopronto.com. Now you do not need this book. You can learn the pieces just by watching me play, and I will show you how to play them. But if you are a collector of books and you enjoy reading sheet music, this book is amazing. It has 3 versions for each tune. The first one, you just play the melody notes, and so it's very simple and easy to play. The second version, you add a few more harmony notes, and the third version adds the most harmony notes of all. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a 4th version where I will play all of the melody notes, the notes with the words, all of those with the right hand, and we'll be putting chords underneath with the left hand. Let's take a look. All right, here we've got the chords for Jingle Bells, and we're going to use only 3 major chords for the key of C, the primary chords. So we're going to be using a C, C, E, G, which is in a C home bass. We're going to be using an F, which is in the up shape. So there's that up shape with the middle note F, and we spell that F-A-C. I'll go back to the home for C. And then the third chord is the G, which is a down shape with the middle note D, G, B, D. So we've got dashing through the snow. We're going to stay on that C, 3 measures, and then we're going to switch up to the F. Stay on the F, and then we go to G. And back to C. Now, bells on bobtails ring, making spirits up to F bright. What fun it is to, all the way to the G, down shape, ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Up shape, oh what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Now, I showed you both hands on this in case you are wanting to do the accompaniment, because you don't really need to play the melody if you're with a group of people. One thing you can do is like this. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Now what I was doing there is I left out the middle note on the left hand and just had an oompa bass going on. You could also just keep a steady beat like this. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. And again, I'm leaving out that lower note because oftentimes it sounds a little bit thick. I'm leaving off the middle note. That's probably the simplest way to do it, just to keep a steady beat. You can also go back and forth between left and right hand. And then if you want to get fancier, or here's a little more modern. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Okay, so that is an accompaniment style. And then, of course, you can always just put your left-hand chords in a simple pattern with the right hand carrying the melody. Maybe I'll get fancier. that gives you some choices. Pick the one that's right for you, that isn't too challenging, that you can just accomplish, and practice that for a bit. Have fun with it, and I'll see you at your next lesson. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, if you have an idea or a request for a tutorial that you would like to see, maybe a favorite tune or a certain aspect of music that you would like to see demonstrated, drop me a note in the comments. I'll see what I can do.